let's talk about Google Search Console. This video is 1 out of 3 that is recorded about Google Search Console. In this video, I will show you how to connect to Google Search Console. In the second one, I will show you how to add terms from Google Search Console to your recommendations. And in the third video, we will focus on the reporting function of Google Search Console. Now, to connect to Google Search Console, you click on the Google Search Console icon at the top of the project window. Then you click on Configure Google Search Console Access button and open Search Console API settings. The next thing you do is, if you haven't done it already, connect to your Google account. As you can see, I have 2 Google accounts connected already, so here I can click on the one I want to go with. Once you've done it, you will have a list of domains available at this Google account. We are working on Clustering project, so we will connect with Clustering domain. Just so you know, if you have a choice, choose the domain with HTTPS type of the domain to connect to and click the connect button. That's all.